Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. We are getting ready to do some
Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen.
Okay, welcome back guys. We're about to do some chicken pasta with some seasoned rice and some salad. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I'm showing you only some of the ingredients that I used to cook. Okay, some of the ingredients that I used to cook. Throughout the video, you will see the other ingredients that I included. So we got some oil heated, so now we're going to be adding our onions and so our water is boiled when we added salt into the water, so we throw in the macaroni and we added one egg to boil one time. Okay, so we added the chicken and now we're flavoring it up with our different seasoning and stuff. And when we finish, we're going to be adding our bell peppers and then a little bit of some ketchup and then a little bit of barbecue sauce. Okay, this is our final product. As you could see, well plated and everything.